here I am again, 'cause it is coming like I cannot believe, and it is beginning to stick. There you can see the neighbor's house there. You can see it all over my arm, and you can see it on the yard and the fence. It is just snowing, snowing, snowing. I gotta go in and make fudge, but I cannot believe this. In Houston, or Sugar Land. I'm glad I got to stay home today. I'm shivering out here because I'm just in my room. Now I've got snow on my phone. I have to start a fire. Gosh, this is great. Hope the kids are getting some. The little kids, not the big kids. And I think I'm out.